Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at an Aeroflash Flash Tube for your wingtip strobes. These are getting hard to come by. This is part number 0730270, and it's Aeroflash Tube. Used to be able to get them from Aircraft Spruce. So let's talk a little bit more about the Flash Tube. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this is a new old stock that we found in our cabinet the other day, and we're opening the box and it's all wrapped up in paper, but we do have two pieces of paper that come with it. One is telling us that it's a strobe tube and please be careful when playing with electricity, and the other one is a warning that you're going to be playing with electricity. And again, they just go back in the box because what we're really interested in is the strobe tube, and they all have the three wires, the white, the red, and the black, that go into the Molex connector. And then you have a couple of different styles of the strobe tube itself. But anyway, it does produce that high voltage xenon flash that we're used to seeing in our wingtips, and that will take care of putting it all back in the box. So that's what a flash tube looks like. Again, they're getting hard to come by, as well as the power supplies. Used bulbs are going for about $75, as well as the power supply. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the Aircraft Spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.